So ain't shot a video in a while. Everybody always seems to be real interested in the Freeman. Today we're going to pull the Freeman out of the water with an F250 with no Dodges tied to the front, no Chevys tied to the front, no horses tied to the front. It's just going to pull it out all by itself, and we'll see if we can't get that on video for you and let you look at it. Pulling up at the old ramp. Freeman just made it here. Yes, it stays in a boat lift, in a boathouse. We don't trailer it everywhere we go. We just pull it out for maintenance. It takes a little bit to video all of this and get it done at the same time, but bear with us, we'll see what we can get. Alright, she's up. Here, this thing's videoed. Yeah, it's good. Video, get up there and video. I don't know how that happened. Somebody flipped both those live wells full. Is it rolling? Yeah. Ready?